Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can stop Microsoft Edge from opening links in a new tab. So guys, if you have been experiencing this issue and would like to fix it, make sure you keep watching, drop a like, and now let us get started. So doing this is actually super simple and you absolutely don't need any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So basically, let's say for example here on Microsoft Bing, I would like to open that website here. And if your link or your website is opening in a new tab just like that, simply follow my instructions to fix this, guys. Head back to your home page here or home tab on Bing and click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And after that, expand settings here and select more from that drop-down menu. After that, you will be taken to your Microsoft Bing settings or browser settings. So what you want to do is take a look at that section here, search, and a little bit lower, you will see that feature results. So basically what you want to do to fix this issue is make sure that both of these options here, open links from search results in a new tab or window, is turned off, as well as the option below, open links from news results in a new tab or window. So make sure that both of them are disabled. If that's not the case, do that and confirm by clicking on save here to apply these changes instantaneously. So that should fix the issue, guys. I hope you could learn something, got some value from this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.